Okay, so I've finally got both my Growatts up and running. They are Growatt SPF 3000TL LVM-ESs. Got them all configured here correctly, but I am getting an error. I'm getting an error 1516 when I connect to the utility. Now, when I run each one independently connected to the utility, no problem. When I configure them in split phase and I connect them to the utility, I get the problem, the 1516 error code. So right now I'm running on PV and I'm running on battery. No problems, no warnings, nothing like that, configured in split phase. The moment that I connect to utility, I get error 15. If I connect them both, I get error 1516, which I'm not going to do because I got something else running on that port, on that jack. So what I'm running is what I'm doing wrong here. Now if I connect to the AC utility, everything runs and operates correctly. I get the warning light on both inverters. Doesn't seem to affect the system at all, but obviously something is incorrect. Now I did read the pamphlet and what it says in regards to the error. Can't remember exactly offhand. I went through all the wiring and checked all the polarities, and I'm wondering if I'm missing a dry contact port or what I'm doing incorrectly. So to give you a rundown here, what I have is, this is my main breaker panel. I have a 40 amp breaker here coming off that only feeds to my inverters. That comes in, and like I said, I check the polarity of these. Each one it comes into when I connect. Like I say, I can run them independently without any issues, but the moment that I string them together in parallel on split phase, I get the problem. If I'm wondering what that problem might be. So like I said, they're up and running right now and they're not connected to the utility, no problems whatsoever. To give you an idea on the connection to my additional service panel, I have this set up here. So I have two feeds coming in. So I have inverter number 1 feeding in on its own 50 amp, and then inverter number 2 on its own 50 amp, and then they're sharing the same neutral here. And then the ground goes out to another ground bar that I created. So I'm not sure exactly what the problem is. These inverters are running fine right now off PV and off of battery. No issues whatsoever. They are charging. They're charging the batteries. They're controlling the solar without any issues. In, out. I can put loads on them. I can even put a 240 load on the panel box here. It doesn't trigger anything. So yeah, any help would be extremely appreciated. Thank you.